So what you see now is the mesh is starting to be revealed, and you can see it's 4 or 5 inches down. But because you've timed it right, there's usually a hollow underneath where all the turtles are. Right, there's an exchange of oxygen through the sand and carbon dioxide. Don't scare them. Okay, so we take them out. Here is a baby hawksbill. Okay, now if you look at it, you can see that its eyes are closed and we can't really see it. Now, otherwise I'll get in trouble with my friends there. So, the strong root is going to go and wash it. Right, Omar's going to start putting them in the dirty bucket, so you're going to see handfuls come out. The top bits.
I'll just skip that.
We'll take them out.
Just skip this and
Oh, it's the baby turtle daddy.
How many?
About 100 and something.
That's
How many? Can I hold that one? How many kids you have, Omar?
Sorry?
How many kids? Let me have one. That's all of them?
Now, what Omar's doing now is he's going to go down. Oh, yeah. Right, we're going to wash now, but what's going to happen is this. There is a washed turtle. You can see the shell properly. You can see the eyes are open. And if you just touch the end of the nose, there's a little spike. And that spike is called the shell hook. And what happens is, as it moves in the fetal position in the shell, it strips the shell. So the first thing that happens is you see a little nose come out. Then you see a pair of flippers. And then the next thing is they crawl out. The shells go down, the turtles come up. So everybody says, how do you know you've got them all? We clean out all the nests, take out all the shells, check in between, and then you find that the sand underneath is harder because that's where she finished digging, and then you know you've got them. But we don't close it up tonight. We may put the mesh back over and leave it, and then tomorrow we'll get checked, and if there is one, it gets released. Now,
You would have also known how many eggs were placed there, wouldn't you?
no, because we didn't move it, so we didn't count them.
Oh.
This is where she came and she laid. If we moved them, we could tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Omar's going to take you down, and this.
Hello.
Yeah.
That's it. That's Man, they know exactly where to go.
Where to go? Look at God.
They know exactly where to go.
Now, guys, you need to move back a little bit, otherwise you'll scare them, seriously.
Look at
They know the direction in which to go.
it. Must be the sun that they will. Are you saying about their front, man? And Veronica came over there, son. I see Shelly and in the big leg. Watch it. Yeah, watch all them out. Tree leader. Yeah, eh? Hey, oh God.
The one that can't move.
What do you mean? Alright, try and continue now.
Some of them are struggling already, yeah.
One thing going to the water, they are right.
But you said you can pick them and clean them out. There's some in your bucket still.
Now, you see how the footprints at the back are small?
So this one that's at the back, that's struggling.
So pick it up, take the sand away, blow it off, and then put it back down again, and we'll see how she goes this time.
I hope you forget.
This one may have to have one. Don't look over in that now. Turn it over.
Come fast forward.
You have to get in there. You have to reach the water long before everybody else, you know. You have to go in there. No, boy, I'm tired.
It stopped the minute you saw me.
Oh, boy, I'm tired. Them are going to get in there. No, I bet me first get in there. I me first I go in the water. I me first I go in there. Watch and see. Watch and see. See me there? I me first go in there. Eh?
Oh, that, see that? You'll be amazed how quick they swim. Already. Yeah. Right? They're going to go straight.
So today has been really educational, enlightening, informative. Releasing the turtles. There were 121 turtles we actually releasing today. So if you'd like to participate in a project like this, come out and be involved, please contact us, Onestop Cultural Tours Jamaica, and I'll give you the details. And please, can I remind you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you. What is there not to love about this beautiful island of Jamaica? Let me just remind you a bit more.